Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Motorola Edge 20 Fusion with a broken display, and I'm here with David and he's gonna do the repair for us. Let's go! So David has already removed the back cover on this Motorola Edge 20 Fusion, and just by looking at it, the adhesives on the back cover is showing a bit of use. So this has been opened quite a few times before, and we're going to remove the screws that holds the phone together. And this is going to be the cover for the entire phone on the back and the sides. So this is not your typical flagship construction. So this one is made of plastic rather than metal. So it falls off back. And then we're just gonna detach it. There's a power button connector. Good thing it didn't snap. So if you damage this, this is gonna be another part that you need to replace. We're going to detach the connectors for the battery and the screen. And from this angle, we can test the replacement display if it's working or not. It's going to save us a lot of time. So if it's not working, we can find another replacement part. If it is, then we can continue with the disassembly. So far so good. Logo of the Motorola is showing and it boots up really nicely. Touchscreen is also working. Test the camera. This is the back camera, I guess. And the front one. So that's good. That's all the things that we need to confirm, the touch and the display. So we're going to try to remove this battery. This is a very thick boy, so very easy. Motions, no abrupt motions, and no pointy objects when removing the battery. Never bend it, never force it, or pry it too hard. So David here is going to be gentle with the removal of this battery. The adhesives on this battery is very strong. So we have the connector for the display. I'm going to peel it off and then pry off the display. Also held on by adhesives, so basically your smartphone is held on by strong glue. So it's not screws or anything, so it's just glued on to that surface. And you can also see that when the battery of your smartphone bulges up, it pushes the display and the back cover backwards, so you can see that it can easily fall apart that way. I'm gonna test fit the display. No glue yet, so display is good to go. Housing is also good to go. We're gonna apply some fresh liquid glue. Not too much, not too little, just the right amount. Push through the connector through that slot, position, and then press it in. Now the display is installed. Connect the connector for the display to the main board. Reinstall the battery. And then reinstall the back cover and the power button. It's going to be a very tricky one. So you can see that some mid-range smartphones really look good. They look almost the same as your flagship device, but inside, the way they are constructed, this one is relatively cheaper to produce compared to your like Samsung or iPhone flagship smartphones. but it works, you know. Is the parts for mid-range smartphones are also cheaper. They don't have any drama when you install them. Sometimes the iPhone or Samsung replacement parts are serialized, so when you replace them, some functions are now not working. So that's a sneaky move from the big tech companies. This one from Motorola, no drama at all. As you can see, the display, that's David. The camera working, all the buttons are working. The antenna cables for the Wi-Fi and the cellular connections are all working. And then we're gonna install the back cover on this one, and then we're gonna be done. So if you have any problems with your older smartphones, whether it be flagship or mid-range or entry level, David can fix it for you, and this is gonna be another successful repair for the shop. So here in the shop, we perform a lot of repairs for various brands and models, so don't hesitate to message David through our Facebook page or leave a comment on this video. He will read those and then follow up with the steps that we can take to fix your device. And if we have some tempered glass lying around here, we can also install it just like what we did on this one. Very, very clean. We're gonna install this one, and I'm thankful that you're here with us. Take care of yourself. Until next time, guys. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.